Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw the United Airlines logo. Begin by lightly sketching a perfect circle on your paper. This circle serves as the foundational base. Precision is key for a balanced design, so take your time with this initial step. Aim for a diameter of around 3 inches, which provides ample space for the intricate details we will add later on. Remember to keep your initial lines light, as we will refine them extensively throughout our process. Next, we will add the distinctive curved lines that form the globe's segmentation. Imagine dividing your circle into 6 equal parts, with lines gently curving from the top and bottom center points. These curves should be smooth and flow naturally, creating the illusion of a spherical object. Maintain symmetry across all 6 sections to achieve the logo's recognizable, dynamic appearance. Take your time to get these curves just right. Now, let's focus on the iconic upward curving wing that cuts across the globe. This element begins near the bottom left of your circle and sweeps dramatically towards the upper right. Pay close attention to the wing's graceful arc and its consistent width throughout its path. A thickness of about 1/8 of an inch generally looks accurate. This wing gives the logo its sense of movement and forward momentum. From the revealed drop-down menu, you will clearly see an option labeled Duplicate Track. Go ahead and select this. Instantly, BandLab will generate a perfect copy of your original track, placing it directly underneath. This new track will faithfully replicate all existing regions, applied effects, and any automation you had on the source, ready for further editing. It's a seamless process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.